Hello and welcome to Simply Easy Cooking. Today we're making mushroom gravy pork chops in the crock pot. They're simple, tasty, and perfect for any day. Let's get cooking. Begin by arranging the pork chops on a flat surface. First, season with pepper. Next, add a dash of salt. Followed by a sprinkle of garlic powder. Then, top it off with paprika. Next, pour a tablespoon of vegetable oil to the pan over medium heat. Then, place the pork chops in the pan and cook for about 20 minutes, or until they're golden brown. When the first side is done, flip the pork chops and cook for another 15 to 20 minutes until they're golden brown. Once the pork chops are done, remove them and set them aside. Now, in a crock pot, spray the inside with cooking spray. From here, add some sliced mushrooms. After that, add some diced onions. Then, place the pork chops on top. Now, add a can of cream of chicken soup. Follow that with a can of cream of mushroom soup. To finish, pour in 3/4 cup of beef broth. After that, cover and cook on high for about 4 hours, or until the pork chops are nice and tender. Next, in a small bowl, mix 1/4 cup of water with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Then, set the mixture aside. Once the pork chops are tender, stir them gently. Then, pour the thickening mixture over the top and gently mix everything together. Finally, cover and cook on high for about 30 minutes, or until the gravy thickens. Now, there you have it, a delicious mushroom gravy pork chops in the crock pot, an easy dinner that sure hits the spot. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tasty recipes. See you next time.